all of these are real. It's real wood. Look at how beautiful it is here. Like, oh my god. I did it. It took one time. Today is Monday. It's the 7th of August, and this morning my family showed me a tour around the animals around the house, which was really fun. And now we are at Wat Tham Pa Daen. It's the thing that I went to like 2 years ago. It's a temple high up in the mountains. It's a really beautiful thing to see. My mom and my uncle, they said that they renovated it, so it's not the same as 2 years ago. That's what they say. I'm not sure about that, but that's what they said. So within a minute we are going up into the mountains. So yeah, let's see how pretty it is right now. These things that you see, it's all real wood. It's all real trees. It's really, really beautiful. This is the only new part that they were building when I was here. But all of these are real. It's real wood. Beautiful. It's beautiful. Look at how beautiful it is here. Like, oh my god. It's so pretty. I love it. Wow.
มาดิไหมขึ้นไหมเหยียบนี่นะ
ไม่หล่นนะ
ไม่หล่นได้เลยขึ้นเลยโอเค
กริงกริงกริงมี2 ตัวแล้วก็อันนั้นน่ะ
ของเขา
อ๋อไม่ใช่เขา
ยายอ้วนๆน่ะของคนนั้น
ถ่ายเอาคนทุกด้วยนะไปลงเลยไอ้ประเทศคนแรกเลยวิถีชีวิต
สกินบัฟฟาโล
ต้องเอาก่อนแล้วหลังมาเอาไปกระจุกนะมา
ไปบัฟฟาโลสกินกินเข้าไป หนังเค็มบัฟฟาโลสกินเคยกินนะ อร่อยไหมคะ เป็นหนังเค็มนะคะบัฟฟาโลสกินค่ะ
หนังเค็มนะ
หนังเค็มค่ะ
ทีเดียวมันจะบินได้ยัง
มันจะคายเมี่ยงมาลี่เมี่ยงมาลี่นะมันยุง
บินถ้าคุกไอ้นั่นนะมันจะขายเนาะอันนี้นะมันจะกลางแล้วนะคุก
เดี๋ยวมันจะไป
Good morning, y'all. Today it is Tuesday. It's the 8th of August. I'm just walking out of the house. It's raining, but the sun is coming out, so I think the sun is gonna come out today. because it's not like cloudy or anything. And today we are going on a trip. We're going with my family, with some family members. We are going to a trip to Udon Thani, and that is like 2 hours away from here. So we're going with a big bus so everyone can come with. So yeah, I'm really excited. We are going to a few places. I've never been there. So we need to take our shoes off. Let's go.
ที่พอดีดีที่สุดแล้วก็ขอให้ท่านมีแต่ความสุขความเจริญทำมาค้าขายสิ่งใดให้มากขึ้นเลยนะครับท่านผู้ใดเลย
เธอก็ตัวใหญ่ได้ละ
น่า
จริงคืออะไร เฮ้ยยักษ์เป็นพวกมีพลัง
I did it. It took one time like this.
เธอก็ได้ป่ะทำไมคะ
After visiting the temple and everything that comes with it, we went searching for some clothes to have a reminder of this beautiful trip. And after that, we went to eat something because we were on our way to some other family. As you see here, we are at a family home. I don't know those people. I really don't. But my mom does know them since she was small. It's family from my mom. And then I went to the toilet. And then I saw something, but I couldn't place like what it was. I only saw like the ants, like, yeah, wandering around it. But I'm not sure what it is. And after a long day, we finally came back home and look at the sky. It's so beautiful out here. Thank you for watching.